Hello guys, welcome to KKR's channel. Today we are going to show you why a complete sanding process is so important to make a good quality solid surface product. You may wonder what a sanding process is. Let's take a look at how it works and why it's so important.
The sanding process is the biggest factor affecting what surface finish you will get. How to make the sanding process? Firstly, the electric sander needs to be loaded with sanding paper, and then the whole product is completely sanded. During the sanding, the surface blemishes are removed, and gradually we can get a non-porous surface with natural glows. At KKR, we will use strong light to check all along the sanding process to ensure every inch of the product is done with good processing.
As you can see, sanding is the major process to make a solid surface smooth like glass and gentle like jade. However, lots of people think that sanding is a one-time process to make a product perfect. Actually, it is not. There are lots of different sanding grades from rough to gentle.
So, if you plan 3 grip size for sanding, you need to sand the product 3 times completely.
Can we sand the product with only one sanding number to save the time? The answer is no. Let's take a look at different sanding grades. This one is 80. This one is 2000.
You will know that 80 is much rougher than 2000, so they are applying totally different effects to the surface. What happens if we only use 80 as it is rough? The finished outcome is not finest enough.
Therefore, it needs multiple sandpaper grades, from small to big number, to complete this important job. In this industry, the average is less than 5 grades for sanding process.
But in KKR, we insist on 10 steps of sanding to get a better gloves for over 23 years. So, for each glassy product, we will sand it totally 10 times. After tons of testing, we find out this secret is the only way to get a perfect solid surface product.
Although it's time and labor costing, to ensure a superior product and big smiling faces from our customer, we will continue to stay with it. This is all about sanding process for solid surface products. Thanks for watching guys. Be sure to subscribe, and we are going to have more about solid surface video coming up. If you have any question about this video, leave us comments below. Bye bye.